Hello, it's Mr. Taylor again. Just wanted to bring you a quick little Edgenuity tutorial video with some tips and tricks that might be able to make your life a little bit easier while using it. I'm sure some of this you already know, but for people that might be newer to the system or maybe eventually will move into the district, this could be a really cool tutorial for them. So what I would recommend, quickest thing, go to my website, East Aurora High School, Edgenuity. You click it, you're a student, nice and easy. A few things to just notice from the dash. One, announcements will be here. I won't be emailing you through Edgenuity. Just too many emails to worry about, so I'm not really going to be worried about that there. Honors, both semesters, regular chemistry, both semesters. I would never click next activity because we go out of order a lot, just as a fun tip. When looking at the screen, a little pro tip, this gets really complicated. Don't do this. Go over here and find your unit in this section. For example, solids and plasma will be one of the first ones we do for this course. This is a much quicker and more efficient way for you to move through that. Gives you some standards that you're going to be learning about just so you have an idea. And we're going to jump in just right into the warm-up times here as well. When doing this, a few really quick pro tips that I realized. Calculator right here, super nice to have. Periodic table, super nice to have with hovering capability over it, really useful. And equations and known variables, which will become bigger later in the year. This has some good stuff in it. Okay, I looked through this before the video. This is excellent, actually. It has literally everything you would need. I mean, for Pete's sake, it also has the AT gas constant versus KPA. Wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. We'll learn about that later. I'm going to pause this really quickly. Some really cool things that you can do. One, highlighting. I haven't really figured out where this would be useful yet, but so if someone can, definitely talk to me about it. Getting back to the home screen is here. But the big thing is the plus sign. You are able to take the glossary where it does go over vocabulary words. Again, I'm going to max the volume on my computer, see if you guys can hear it. With pronunciation. And a transcript of what he's saying. Which is a really, really cool thing to be able to transcribe it. This might be useful for a lot of you, though. Regardless of if Spanish is your first or second language, you can switch this to Spanish. For some reason, I have to double click it too. So you might have to do it 1 or 2 times. It's a little weird with that. But the notes, you still have full control. Something like that. The glossary switches over. So in case you want to hear phrasing, for example, in Spanish, even if English is your first language, if you know Spanish or if Spanish is your first language, hearing in Spanish really might be a good way to maybe make that connection. Maybe in English it doesn't translate how it would in Spanish, but you understand the Spanish one. So it even gives you the translation, which is absolutely wonderful. Transcript again. We'll go through in Spanish. He stays in English, so just something cool to check out about that. I'm gonna again switch out of this. Here, course map allows you to manipulate anything kind of in here. With the notes, if you ever need it, under states matter, solids and plasma, you can see I have the notes saved here. So this is a one-stop shop for notes. And this is where your grade will be. So again, hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.